Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, and today we are going to look at something really useful, the top 3 best resume builder. So there are a lot of resume builder available on the internet, but we will talk about only best 3. Now making a resume can feel hard, especially if you don't know what to write or how to make it look good. So that's why resume builder tools are great. They help you to create a clean professional resume in just few minutes. But before we start, make sure to check the description below this video. I will put all the official link and updated information there, so you will find all the information and official links. Alright, so let's get started. So the third one, I mean the last tool. So the third one is the Canva. Yes, Canva is not just for design, it also have the resume builder. It's free to use and it comes with a lot of beautiful template. So you can choose a layout and then just click and type your detail like name, skill, experience, and so on. The best part is it looks modern, it's super beginner friendly, and you can download this resume as the PDF, and it's totally for free. And there is no watermark or anything also. So if you want to change colors, font, you can do that too. So Canva is a great option if you want your resume look good without spending money. Now let's talk about the JT. This one is little more advanced. JT is great because it gives you tips as you build your resume. It tells you what to write and even check the grammar and spelling also. You can choose from many templates, professional, modern, creative, and all types. Now here is the thing, JT is not fully free, but to download the resume, they will ask you to pay or sign up for a trial. The price is around $2.50 for 14 days or a monthly plan after that. So if you need just one resume quickly, you can sign up for the trial and download your file, and you can cancel that after. JT is really useful if you don't know what to write or how to organize your information. It's like having a helper on screen. And finally, number 3 is the resume.io. So this one is also easy to use. It has a lot of template. Just choose one template and add your information, and boom, your resume will be ready. Resume.io gives you suggestions and has cover letter too. So you can create and save different versions of your resume, and it also lets you to download or share online. Resume.io has a free version, but to download a PDF, you will need to pay. The good thing is that they also have a 7 days money back guarantee. So if you need only one resume, then you can try and check that out. So which one is for you? That depends on your need and preferences. If you want completely free, then go with Canva. If you want writing help and don't mind paying a little, then try JT. And if you want something simple and fast, resume.io is also great. So all these 3 tools are good. It depends on your need. So that was the video for today. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.